So you've heard about Trust and Will and LegalZoom, and you've got some questions. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover what Trust and Will and LegalZoom actually are, the key features of each, how they compare on pricing, ease of use, and attorney support, and what you absolutely need to know before picking one for yourself. And if you want to check either of them out at any point, I'll leave links in the description below that help to support the channel and give you the best available offers. I'll also mention that if you have a very complex legal situation, it's probably going to be best to consult with an actual attorney, but these can be good starting points for you to kick things off on, get the right questions answered, and then bring what these platforms give you to that attorney to save you some money, streamline the process. Diving right into things, let's start off with Trust and Will. So what is Trust and Will? Well, Trust and Will is a modern platform that focuses entirely on estate planning. The goal is to make wills, trusts, and guardianship documents simple, guided, and approachable so that your wishes are followed through on if something were to happen to you. And this isn't fun stuff to think about, but it is very, very important. Some of the highlights of Trust and Will include a clean step-by-step questionnaire instead of these long, confusing legal forms that you have to fill out. And they've got both will plans that come in at about $200 for the individual, $300 for the couple, as well as trust plans, which include a will and a trust, which will run you about $500 for the individual or $600 for couples. Whatever plan you go with, you're going to get documents that are tailored to your specific state because the rules and how things are treated in different states can vary quite a bit. You're going to get free updates to all of your documents for the first 30 days and then ongoing changes with a low-cost annual membership. And you're getting access to a very modern dashboard that's easy to understand even if you've never seen a legal document in your entire life. They make it really, really easy for you to figure out how to make sure that your wishes are followed through on. In short, Trust and Will is all about estate planning, planning for what happens after you pass, with a polished, very beginner-friendly approach. Now, how about LegalZoom? Well, LegalZoom, on the other hand, is one of the oldest and most well-known online legal platforms. They do a lot of different things, estate planning being one of them. As a company, they're going to offer wills, trusts, estate documents, same as Trust and Will, but also things like LLC formation, trademarks, contracts, and a whole lot of other stuff. They've got a basic will package that'll run you about $100, or a basic trust package that'll run you about $400, as well as premium tiers with prices like $250 for a will, $550 for a trust, that include a full year of attorney support, which is also something you can get from Trust and Will. LegalZoom also has a 20+ year track record serving millions of customers, so you don't have to worry about them being some kind of fly-by-night operation. To dive a bit deeper into the pricing and the update policies for both, with Trust and Will, again, you've got that will plan, $200 for individuals, $300 for couples, and then you've got the trust plan, which includes a will and a trust, $500 for individuals, $600 for couples. I've also got a full dedicated video on both of these services as well. If you do want to check those out, I'll leave links in the description as well. On LegalZoom, the basic will is going to run you $99 for individuals or $200 for couples, and the basic trust about $400 for individuals and $500 for couples. So fairly comparable. So if you want the absolute cheapest option to just get something out there, LegalZoom often is going to look cheaper up front, while Trust and Will is going to give you that flat one-time price for a very polished estate planning process. Now, nobody wants to spend hours and hours and hours thinking about this stuff, filling out legal documents. So let's talk about how easy both of them are to use. Trust and Will, it's really known for its modern, guided interface. There's a lot of helpful pop-ups, videos, plain language explanations. Reviewers say it's one of the most beginner-friendly will makers out there, which is 100% accurate. LegalZoom also going to be straightforward, but it is a bigger platform. You're going to encounter more upsells, more extra options along the way, since they cover a bunch of different legal areas. And so for some people, that's going to be a pro because they want all of this stuff covered. They don't want to have to think about it. They're willing to pay for it. With some people, they just want the cut and dry simple. And so if that's the case, Trust and Will probably going to win out there. But what if you have a more complicated scenario? What if you want to, work hand in hand with an attorney, you don't have one already? Well, this is something that's really important to think about, right? With LegalZoom's premium plans, you're going to get unlimited 30-minute consultations with an attorney for a full year, plus document review by an attorney. Their attorney network covers all 50 states as well, so no matter where you live, what state you're trying to set this up in, they've got you covered. Now, Trust and Will, on the other hand, does not include attorney access by default, but you can add it for about $300 a year, giving you unlimited calls with an estate planning attorney. Currently, this is only available in 43 states plus DC, so you'll just want to check the website to make sure that they actually cover your specific state. So here's what you have to know before choosing. Trust and Will, generally going to be best if you want a clean, guided, estate-focused experience. It's especially great for families, first-time planners, people that aren't well-versed in this world at all. LegalZoom, on the other hand, could be better if you're juggling multiple legal needs. You've got businesses you need to split up, you've got contracts, or if you just need that lawyer access because your situation has more moving pieces to it, that you know that neither of these replaces having a dedicated estate planning attorney for your estate if you have a lot of things going on that you need somebody to manage. So if you want to check out either of these services for yourself, again, I've got links to both in the description below that help to support the channel and get you the best available offers. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I know this process can be a bit intimidating and not the most fun thing to think about, but it is incredibly important. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.